Hello everyone and welcome, and today we'll show you how to download any YouTube videos. Okay, the first thing that I will show you is how to download your own videos. So here, this is my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go and click on YouTube Studio, and this is where you can actually do things. Now you wanna go and click on content on the left side. Once you go and click on content here, as you can see, I have these three dots beside each video. Then I'm gonna hit the download button and it will be downloaded just like so. On the top right side here, as you can see, it is being downloaded. But because my internet is not that good, as you can see now, it's downloading. And now, in order to download others' videos, let me choose any random video, for example. I'm gonna download this one here, for example, because I want to watch it offline. So I'm gonna hit the video like so. Then here you have the download option. Just click on download and you can download it with a specific quality, or you can simply upgrade to YouTube Premium, which actually offers 1 month of free trial. So you can get benefit of this 1 month free trial and use it in order to download content. There, as you can see, beside each quality, it tells you exactly how much or how size is the video itself after being downloaded. And of course, because this is a download feature, what they actually do is they compress or downgrade the video quality just in order to make it more downloadable and make it accessible to you. So this size right here is actually after downgrading or doing some compaction to the video. So this is after lowering the bitrate, the quality. So you may not get that good quality at 1080p or 720p. So you just have to click on download, just like so. And here on the top right side, as you can see here, it's downloading. I'm gonna click on view, and here, as you can see, it is downloaded or downloading right now. And you can even remove it from your downloads if you want to do so, or you can pause the download. But here, as you can see, I have it downloaded right here. It will be displayed in the downloads, not on the PC itself. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all, guys. Please consider subscribing, like, and join us in order to support us and to encourage us to make more videos. Share this video with your friends who want to download some content from YouTube, and goodbye.